Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be on this look. I think I really need help in coming up with a better intro because I feel like all my videos start like that. But nonetheless, I wanted to do a get ready with me video today because I am about to head out for an event. I'm going to my first holiday event of the year, which is so early. I'm filming this on November 6th. So anyway, I'm excited. I have this gorgeous dress, which you guys will see towards the end of the video, but yeah, I wanted to do a get ready with me from hair and makeup to outfit and show you guys what I look like before I head out. So I hope you guys enjoy this look. The question of the week this week is going to be hair related because I've been getting a ton of comments about hair tutorials, but not specifically like what styles you guys want to see. So I guess if you can be a little bit more specific, like do you want to see how I style my hair or kind of like a hair routine of what shampoos I use and whatnot. So just let me know exactly what type of hair videos you want to see. And this is becoming the longest intro of all time. So let's get into it. I hope you enjoy this video. Okay, yeah, clearly I need help today. I worked out this morning. I just didn't have time to wash my hair. So this is third day hair. It's kind of gross, but I'm pretty sure I need dry shampoo, so I'm going to go in with my IGK dry shampoo. This is the charcoal detox. I need the detox. And I just basically put this around my roots. So then I'm just going to brush my hair. The style that I'm going to do for my hair is actually better when your hair is dirty, which is another reason why I didn't wash my hair, because I want to do a slick bun, and the oilier the hair, the better actually. And my roots are growing out, my grays are popping out. It's a fun time. So I'm gonna try my best to get a straight line here. After that, I'm just gonna go ahead and spray my Root Touch Up by L'Oreal because I have some grays. See? Covered it so nicely. It's a process, okay? So then I'm going to use this e.l.f. Clear Mascara. It's actually a clear brow gel and a clear mascara. Either side will work. And I'm just going to tame the baby hair and straighten this area a little bit. Just like that. This stuff works so well. I love it. I already look a lot better. So then I'm just going to go ahead and create a ponytail. And I'm going to keep this pretty low. Clean it up by wrapping a piece of my hair around the elastic so that it doesn't show. And then I'm just gonna pin it from the bottom. All right, that feels pretty secure actually. And then lastly, I'm gonna pick up this beard oil and I'm just gonna apply a little bit around the top so that it's nice and shiny. And it kind of gets rid of all the flyaways as well. You could technically do this before you tie your hair. It might be a little bit tighter, but I didn't think about that. So if I have any more flyaways, I'll just grab a little wax and make sure those things are down. And I actually use a makeup brush for it. I'm using the Persona brush. Okay, I think we're done with the hair. I'm gonna move on to my face. Get these imperfections covered. I don't know what happened, but I kind of broke out around my mouth area. So yeah. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit of my Pores No More primer. I'm going to use my Armani Luminous Silk Foundation today. I'm going to have to use a brush like this to apply because all of my kabuki brushes are dirty and I am so bad about cleaning them. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply this with this brush, and then I'll just use a beauty blender to kind of blend all of the imperfections, harsh edges, all of that good stuff. I'm going to use my Dose of Colors concealer in number 16, and I'm just going to apply that under my eyes, you know, the usual. And then I'm actually going to bring this down because I don't know what's happening around this area. Downtown, you're going to hear the honking all the time. There's nothing I can do about it. I used to like stop every time, but now I'm just like, you know what? Let's embrace it. I'm in the city and it gets crazy loud. But anyway, I was saying I like this one. The color specifically is because I can actually bring it down if I do need to cover around this area a little bit more. I think this is by e.l.f., but it feels so nice. It feels just like a beauty blender. I'm just gonna blend this under my eyes. I feel like I need a little more. I don't know what is going on. I just have such weird, like rash looking situation happening here. I'm considering lasering my face actually because Before it was just acne scars, and now I feel like there's discoloration and I don't know, stuff happening around the pores that I'm like not used to. Okay, I'm gonna bake my face, and I'm actually gonna use my La Mer powder because I miss this. I haven't used this in a minute. I'm just gonna bake a little bit with this. Well, I don't really bake, but you know. I'm gonna go ahead and fill in my brows and we'll be right back. Okay, so now for my bronzer, I'm gonna go in with my Huda Beauty bronzer. This one is one of my faves. It's a cream one. I love it. I usually like to use a tapered kabuki brush for it and just kind of directly apply it on my skin and then blend it upwards. So this morning was my first time that I tried a 7 a.m. cycling class. I'm usually not a morning workout person unless I'm traveling, then I'm kind of like in the mood of just waking up early. Usually when I'm in town, I like to work out at night, especially if it's like a hardcore cycling class. So I booked the class when I was eating my pizza because I was like, I gotta figure out a way to work out tomorrow since I have the event at night. I woke up at 6:20 and I was like, oh no, this is not happening. I'm going back to sleep. And then I was like, no, that's such a waste if I don't go. I should just get up and go. Anyway, long story short, I made it to my class and I felt absolutely amazing after. I'm gonna try my best to do cycling classes in the morning now, or at least try to like mix it up and do some in the morning, some at nights, because it just gives you so much natural energy. Like you don't need as much coffee, I feel, as I'm having a cappuccino. But you know, it's just like a nice morning kind of routine to get in the groove of things. I'm gonna try this blush, Wish Me Luck, because it's very red and I don't know if it's actually gonna like work out for me, but it's so pretty. It's by Dior and it's number 999. You know how they have that lipstick? It's pretty famous for Dior. It's called 999, and so I guess this is the blush of it. But again, it's so red that I'm like, oh my gosh, scared. But I think I'm just gonna try and dilute it a little bit. Here we go. I think this is not meant for my skin tone, but that's okay. We'll just, you know, blend it away. I'm gonna use this Bobbi Brown blush in number 11, just on top of that. And then I'm just gonna apply a tiny bit of Zuma on the high points of my cheeks. And then I'm just gonna kind of go over it again because I don't want it to be super intense. And yeah, just kind of tone it down, you know? For my eyes, I'm gonna play with this palette by Too Faced. It's called Gingerbread Spice, and it's so pretty. There are tons of gorgeous shades. So I'm gonna start with Gingerbread Latte, and I'm gonna apply this on my crease and then just kind of blend it really well. So then I'm gonna use Oh Snap, and I'm just gonna apply this all over my eyelids. And then with the pencil brush, I'm gonna use Reindeer Paws, and I'm gonna apply that really close to my lash line, and I'm just gonna create kind of like a elongated cat eye, smoky eye. I'm going to use a black liner on the inner rim. This is the Persona Cosmetics black liner. And then I'm just going to extend it a tiny bit from the outer corners, just like that. If you only knew how old this brush was. You can't even see the name on it, but this is when I went to MUD, the makeup school I went to like years ago, maybe 10 years ago, I don't even know. But this is from back in the day, so it's still going strong. I'm gonna curl my lashes and throw on some mascara and see how the look is coming together. The one thing I'm not loving is the peach tone, because obviously the dress is red and like fuchsia and like purple. So I think I'm just gonna neutralize it a bit with this shade right here. This is a Dior palette. It was just in front of me and I'm like, maybe that could work. So let's just try it. Toned it down just a little bit, not by much. I'm gonna try this Clinique mascara. I don't think I've ever tried this. It's the High Impact Mascara by Clinique. I'm trying to be better at trying new products, especially like mascaras and like cult favorites, because I could get a bit repetitive with my products, as you guys already know. Ooh, this is really nice. Look at that. I would say it's not like the most volumizing mascara, but it's definitely up there. It's like lengthening and volumizing, but it's volumizing from the root and kind of like feathering out towards the end of the lashes, which is really beautiful. I like it. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and pop some individual lashes because I feel like because everything else is kind of neutral, I think some lashes would be beautiful. So I'll be right back. The difference between false lashes and just mascara. I mean, it still looks natural, but it's so much more defined. And I think that especially when it's such a neutral look, I think individual lashes add so much. All right, lashes are on and I'm gonna let this dry a little bit and I'm gonna move on to my lips. Again, I think I'm gonna do something neutral because of the dress. I just did this in the last tutorial, but I'm so tempted to do this again. I don't know. I'm gonna do it, but I'll do it a little bit differently this time. I'm gonna create more of a cream consistency with OG and honey. So OG is a liquid matte and then honey is a gloss, but I'm gonna create more of a creamy finish with it. So I'm just gonna grab a bit of OG and then a bit of honey. Okay, so I just mixed the two together with a lip brush. I'm just gonna go ahead and get this on my lips. And then I'm just gonna line a little bit with Strip Down. But I'm also gonna soften that with the brush. I feel like I need one more layer of mascara. I hope I don't regret this, but I'm just gonna try it. Just a little bit, just to like lift those false lashes up. I love it. It's matte on the eyes, a little shine on the lips. It's just that perfect amount. It's still natural, but it can totally be glamorous. So I'm excited. I think it turned out really good. The before and after is just on another level. I started really rough and we're at a good place now. I'm happy. So let me throw on the dress and show you guys the complete look. So here's the full outfit. Absolutely obsessed with this dress. And then the shoes are Gianvito Rossi, but I've had these for so long and I actually feel like I don't know, my feet grew or I'm swollen or something is not right because they're so tight I can barely walk in them. But yeah, this is the full look. I'm seriously obsessed with this entire look. And I feel like the makeup and hair go really well with the outfit. So I think we did good. So that is it for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed getting ready with me and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. It's read, wow, I can't say reading. Okay, weird. Like a or not a Christmas, but like, well,